Nicholas,
Yeah.
you got in my SMMA program, what? You said
About 2 years
2 years ago? How much you going to make this year?
About $350.
And how much net?
About $250.
$250,000. How much were you making before?
$1,000 a month, maybe.
So you raised your income from 12 grand a year to 250.
Yeah, only 21 still, so.
So let's just talk about something to all the naysayers out here, all the beeps. I won't say it because then it won't run on Facebook. How much money did you invest to get started?
About $1,000.
That was the cost of the program.
So the cost of the program and then the state filing fee for an LLC.
So $1,100 turned into $250,000, 2 years. Plus, we won't even talk about some big potential stuff going on to make you a lot more. I've been telling you guys are slow. Some of you out there are just so slow.
Yeah.
So
You're sleeping. You're missing out.
People are sleeping.